Good morning. So I thought I'd do a video to show you what it's like going to a Rockschool Drum Exam. I can't believe I'm saying this, but in all the years that I've been teaching, I've actually never attended going along to a drum exam. So I'm off to Reading this morning to go along with Simon, one of my young students from Great Shepherd School, with his mum Simona. And he's entering for his Rockschool Premier debut. Rockschool Premier Performance Certificate from the Rockschool Drums Method book. So yeah, join me as we go along for a bit of a journey to Reading and find out what it's like. I hope you enjoy. I just thought I'd put this quick clip in just to say what equipment you need to bring. So yes, all you need for your exam is just obviously the book. Bring your drumsticks. I've got a practice pad here for Simon. If you've got a practice pad, do bring it along. It would be good to just do some warm-ups, but I hope there'll be a warm-up room as well with the drum kit to practice on. And then, yeah, just some drinks and some snacks. Yeah, teacher's best friend, coffee. Just arrived at Berkshire Maestros in Reading. And here we are. Excellent, Simon. Good lad. Yeah. Okay. How did it go, Simon?
It go very brilliant.
Yeah, very good. Very good. What was your favourite piece?
My favourite piece is now changed to Overload.
Ah, very good. Very good. And what was the examiner like? Were they nice? Good. Good stuff. Well, I hope you feel sort of relieved. You've done it. Excellent. Good lad. Well done. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed the video and got a flavour for what it's like doing a drum exam. Yeah, just a really nice place. Nice to kind of warm up in the practice warm-up room. And yeah, the people behind the scenes were lovely. Had a nice chat with the chap on the desk who is an Elvis impersonator. And he says he's going to be gigging in Newbury soon, so might try and get along to that. And the examiner seemed nice from what Simon said. So yeah, just really really grateful to Simona for coming along and bringing Simon, and just obviously seeing the relief on Simon's face after the exam is just brilliant, really. So yeah, hope it's given you a good flavour. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know, and we'll speak soon. All right, take care, guys. See you soon. Cheers. Bye.